Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we are making a creamy tomatillo avocado sauce. It's not that spicy, I promise, and it is so good. It's going to be perfect for the potatoes, for your rice, for those tacos, enchiladas, whatever you want to put it on. You could even thin it down and use it as a salad dressing. It's so easy and so tasty, and let's make some. Here we go. So I got some poblano peppers. Those are tomatillos. They'll be in the produce section. They look like little green tomatoes. You gotta peel that skin off, and they're gonna be kind of sticky, so you wanna wash them off after that. So what we're gonna do is get a baking sheet. We're gonna take those tomatillos, we're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna cut our poblano. Now, anytime you handle peppers like this, please wash your hands afterwards. If you touch your eyes, you'll know exactly what I mean. It burns. Trust me, I know. Been there, done that. So we're going to clean that poblano, get all the seeds out. And there's a jalapeno. Remember, if you leave the seeds in, it's going to be spicier. So take them out if you don't like spice. Leave them in if you do. That easy. It's not that spicy, even with the jalapenos, I promise. Put everything on that little baking sheet. That is my toaster oven / air fryer, Cuisinart. I'll put a link down in the box below if you want to check it out on Amazon. And that's what it looks like after about 10-15 minutes under the broiler. We're going to get all nice and soft, and we're going to take those poblano peppers, put them in a bag. We want to let them steam for a minute, get that skin off. Everything else goes in the blender. You notice I left the skins on my onion and the garlic. It's okay. Ain't gonna hurt anything. Peel them off first though before you put them in the blender, please. It may not be that good if you don't. Cut our onion. Everybody in the pool. There's the poblanos after they steamed, and that skin will just peel right off. That's what we want. Perfect. Into the blender they go. We're gonna add a little seasoning, and I'll put a link below for the recipe, all the ingredients, all the instructions, everything you need to know will be down there in that box. Check it out. Give it a blitz. No water needed, no liquid of any kind. Now we're gonna add an avocado. You never peeled one, here's how you do it. Twist right in half. Be careful, get that little pit out. Just like that. And then you spoon the avocado right into your blender. I'm going to add a small bunch of cilantro and about half a lime, about a tablespoon of lime juice. Blitz that up, and this is what it looks like. Nice and thick, creamy. Oh, it is so good. I think you're going to really like this one. I made a smashed potato and put it on top, and it was just out of this world. Like I said, this is so versatile. You could use it for your tacos, your enchiladas, for potatoes, for rice, whatever you want to put it on. So that's the recipe for the week. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you get the notifications every week. And come back next week, because I do a video every single week showing you how easy it is to eat plant-based. This is Chuck, Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.